Hey everyone, welcome to the very first episode of my Binance copy trading weekly update. If you're new here, I'm sharing my real journey with copy trading on Binance, showing my wins, losses, and lessons learned along the way. This series is all about full transparency. Whether you are just curious about copy trading or you are thinking of trying it yourself, you will get to see my actual portfolio performance. No hype, no fluff. Now, even though this is the first weekly update, this isn't my first week with Binance. I actually started my copy trading journey on February 16th, 2025 with an initial investment of 2000 USD. Right now, it's the ninth week of my journey. Over these 9 weeks, I've added a total of $6,000 from my pocket. And you can see my current account balance is nearly 7,000 USD. If you calculate it based on my total investments, that's about a 16% gain in 9 weeks, which is already quite impressive. And honestly, it's even better if you consider that the biggest chunk of my investment, around $4,000, was added just this month. Even at 16%, I'm thrilled. As someone who also invests in stocks, I would usually be more than happy with a 16% return in an entire year, not just in 9 weeks. The real question now is, can this positive trend continue? If I could maintain this pace, my portfolio could even double within a year. But of course, anything can happen in the markets. At the moment, you can see that I'm copying five traders who have really strong track records on Binance. I'll introduce each of them in a separate video, so stay tuned. If you're curious about how copy trading actually performs in real life, hit the subscribe button and follow along. I'll be sharing updates every now and then, always 100% honest, win or lose. Thanks for watching. See you soon.